Welcome to our video dedicated to high-frequency welder, an innovative machine for precise and durable welding of plastic materials. This welder uses high-frequency waves that generate heat through molecular friction in plastic materials, allowing for strong and long-lasting fusion. The HF welder offers a lot of advantages, including weld quality, strong defect-free joints, efficiency, reduces welding times due to rapid heat generation, versatility, suitable for a wide range of plastic materials and applications. This technology is ideal for various applications, including the production of tents, full covers, medical products, and much more. The HF welder has an intuitive control panel that allows precise adjustment of welding parameters. This enables the machine to be tailored to specific production needs, always ensuring optimal results. Contact us for more information and discover how this technology can improve your production process.